Your emotions are not random. They are specific frequencies stored in specific points of your body. You can't just think them away. You have to release the blockage where it lives. Here is exactly what we are doing when we tap. We start here, the karate chop point. It helps with feelings like this. I am broken. This won't work. Tapping here lowers your defenses. It tells your brain, even though I have this problem, I am safe. Next is the eyebrow. It helps with feelings like this. I am so frustrated and hurt. Tapping here clears the fight response and stops the urge to run away. Next is side of eye. It helps with feelings like this. There is too much to do. Tapping here releases overwhelm. It softens your focus so you see options instead of threats. Next is under the eye. It helps with feelings like this. I feel sick to my stomach. Tapping here releases the knot of fear in your gut so you can breathe deep again. Next is under the nose. I'm going to look stupid. We call this releasing the cringe. It stops you from shrinking or hiding. Next is the chin. It helps with feelings like, I don't know what to say. Tapping here helps clear the mental fog and connects your brain to your voice. Next is the collarbone. This is the big one. I am stuck. I am frozen. I just can't. Tapping here releases the emergency brake. It processes the adrenaline so you can finally move forward. Tapping under the arm helps with feelings like this. I feel too exposed. It's not safe to be seen. This is like a big, safe hug. It reminds your nervous system that you are safe in your own body. And finally, the top of the head. We call this integration. It connects the work we just did and resets your system to neutral. Now that you have the map, let's begin.